Part of an example I'd like to go through is example 6 for our solving polynomial inequalities. I just want to go through the start because I don't think on the note it really explains it like I would in class. Alright, so we have our two functions here. We have f of x equals 3x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x. And our g of x function is 2x cubed minus x squared plus x. And the question is, find when f of x is greater than g of x, which is a little different than the other examples because it's always relative to 0. Alright, so what I'm going to do for this inequality is I'm going to substitute in the values. F of x, again I'm going to write it out. We got 3x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x greater than, there's our g of x there, 2x cubed minus x squared plus x. Now what is not explained in the note is where do I go from here? Well, the whole idea of an inequality and to solve an inequality, the first thing we have to do is get a 0 on one side of the equation. Alright, so what I'm going to do, that's even before we're going to do long division. And so I'm going to move this 2x cubed over, the negative x squared over, and the x over so that there is nothing on the right hand side. And so what I would end up with 3x cubed. Again, in an equation when things change sides, they change signs. So this 2x cubed coming over is going to be a minus 2x cubed. Alright, I just want to get things lined up. So we got minus 3x squared. Do I have any x squareds over here? Yeah, I do. I have a minus x squared that comes over, so it's going to be a positive x squared. And then I got my minus 2x. Now I'm bringing the x over, so it's going to be a minus x. And I have a greater than sign. And again, now that I've moved the three terms of g of x over, there is nothing over there. And then now the next step is to simplify what we have on this left side of our inequality. So 3x cubed minus 2x cubed is just an x cubed. Minus 3x squared plus an x squared, well, we're still down 2x squareds. And then putting the x's together, we have a minus 3x is greater than 0. And that on the note is where that inequality comes from. And from there, what we would do, factor, well, number one, I can see that I can common factor out an x. So we'll get that done, that makes it easier. And then we just, again, once we fully factor it, because the quadratic factoring is needed to be done there, and then we do our chart, which I covered in example 5, on how to find the intervals of positive and negative, and then a concluding statement, and that's where we go from there. But again, I wanted just to show you the start of example 6 and what I was doing and how I got that polynomial or that inequality just down a little bit.